What is up, guys? Welcome to Code My Hobby. Now, if you've been following this channel properly, you know we started the HTML and CSS crash course, and we made over 12 videos, guys. 12 videos on HTML and CSS. But sadly, we have to stop here for now because we need to make more videos and educate you guys better on programming with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So there are lots of tutorials coming on how to use a database such as Firebase, but that doesn't mean that's all for HTML and CSS, okay? Because I'm working on an epic crash course, guys. I'm talking 30 different videos. 30 different videos on HTML and CSS, where you'll be going from beginner's level to advanced level. You'll be learning things that you can barely find on YouTube. Even if you find it on YouTube, it's not going to be so self-explanatory, okay? So you'll be learning CSS Grid, CSS Flexbox, CSS media queries, and all of this will be taught with live examples. Practical examples. You'll be building different projects such as CSS Loader. You'll be building 2 different contact forms, okay? So that's a standard contact us page. You'll be building 4 different landing pages, okay? 4 different landing pages. Nice landing pages using HTML and CSS only, which you can add to your personal portfolio, and you could use that to take your skills to a whole new level, guys. Okay, so you'll also be learning CSS media queries. So that's to make your project responsive. So you'll be learning all of this with live practical examples, okay? Live practical examples and projects. So you'll be building different projects with HTML and CSS only, and you'll be learning in depth of HTML and CSS, like the core stuff that mostly people don't teach. They have to go and find the resources on Udemy. So this crash course is going to be epic. Not only will you be receiving a 30 video tutorial, but you'll also be getting, guess what? Live coaching calls with me. So I'm going to be calling you every week. We'll schedule a call every week and we'll be checking your progress on HTML and CSS. So how far have you gone with the crash course? I'll be keeping tabs on you, checking your progress, okay? And also you'll be getting a guide, like a roadmap to becoming a successful front-end or back-end or a full-stack developer. So whatever you want to study, be it front-end, back-end, you'll be getting a live counseling call with me at the end of the crash course. So if you're excited for this, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button also. Comment your thoughts down. The price is going to be so affordable, guys. It's going to be a great investment. So if you're excited about this crash course like I am, smash this like button, guys. Do me a favor and smash the like button. Comment your thoughts down below. The link to the crash course will soon be out in probably 2 weeks from now. Yeah, so 2 weeks from now the course should be ready for you guys. Okay, you'll be getting live video calls with me personally to check your progress. You'll be getting 30 different videos on HTML and CSS. So you'll be learning everything from beginners level to advanced stuff, and you'll also be building live projects. You'll be building over 10 or 12 different projects, if I'm not mistaken, guys. 10 to 12 different projects that will take your skills to a whole new level. Okay, so you know what to do. Smash the like button, share this video with your friends who might be interested in getting down with HTML and CSS, and that will be all for this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe. If you don't know what I do here, I create HTML, CSS, and JavaScript tutorials weekly. Okay, I produce weekly videos based on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, there are tons of videos for you to watch over here, and I'm so excited for this crash course. I'll be filling you in, and make sure you check out my community post. Okay, go check out my community post and if you comment or smash the like button, I'll be revealing the price of this crash course to you. So the more activities we get on the community tab, so I asked the question recently, so the more engagement we get on the community tabs, so if I can get like 30 likes on the community tab, I'm going to reveal the price of this crash course, of this epic course rather. Okay, so I'm going to be revealing the price to you guys. So affordable, it's a steal price. No, I've checked online and most courses go for over ×5 of what I'm offering you guys, ×5. So this is relatively a good investment, and trust me, you're not going to regret this. So yeah, so that's all. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and on GitHub. I produce educational videos or educational tips on how to become a better developer on Instagram, and on GitHub follow me to get all my source code. Okay, follow me to get my source code on GitHub, and also follow me on Instagram, development tips, so you can start your dream of becoming a better developer. Okay, so make sure you follow me guys on Instagram and follow me on GitHub. Okay, so smash the like button, do all the good stuff, and I'll be revealing this HTML and CSS course to you probably 2 weeks from now. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Smash the like button, do all the good stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.